Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you reduce image size on iPhone or iPad. So guys, to do this, at first you need to go to a browser, just like I'm going to Safari. Now after going to Safari or any browser, just search for image size reducer. And after that you will find so many websites in front of you. Just go to any of these, and here you can see select image. Just click on here and select the image from your photo library. Just like I have selected an image. Now just scroll down, and here you can see you can just change the resolution of the video, how many resolution you want. You can change the quality. If you click here, you can change the percent, pixels, centimeters or inches. You can change the background, and here you can see resize image. Just click on resize image, and here you can see the video file has been resized. Now you can just click on download image and you can just download it. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.